Good morning students. Now I will teach you to how to connect electric lamps in series connection. Here for this I have taken 3 electric ordinary bulbs and 3 pendant holders, and I connected already wires and screwdriver, tester, wire cutter, cutter and insulation tape, scissor. So this one our B1 bulb having holder, the 2 terminal as A and B. This one B2 bulb having 2 terminals C and D. This one third bulb B3 and having terminals E and F. First I will show you how it gives light in single way. Okay, so now this is A and B, so I am taking A and B, and this one C and D terminals. So I will connect one end here. You can take any terminals. I'll put black tape for safety. See, the light become dim. That means voltage divided. So this is known as 2 bulbs are in series connection. Now I will take B3 bulb and its one terminal will connect with second bulb's second terminal. So now I am taking the first bulb's first one, that is A, and third bulb's second terminal, that is F. Now both I will insert inside the, see the light become total dull or dim. For experimenting this, so I am taking the testing purpose. I have connected for longer time. If suppose you want to connect, you can connect like this. For safety purpose, I am putting a insulation tape here. Now I can check whether it is glowing or not. See, so light become very dull. So it is used for our decorating light purpose, that we say lichu light connection, that is having low wattage. This is our 100, 300 watt in series connection I have made. But what in market we see, or in for decoration purpose, that is only 2 watts to 3 watts. Thank you.